Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have a haul from Boots. If you're new, welcome. My name is Musa. If you are returning, thank you and welcome back. I want to show you the products that I had gotten lately and I am so excited to share them with you. And I'm also looking forward to trying some of these products because I've never used some of them. Yeah, and say if you have my type of hair, okay, and you are struggling with when you're washing the conditioners and stuff, try this brand right here, the Cantu. This brand right here will help you a great deal. I know, like, the smell, sometimes their smell is a little but most of them it's not like that. Just try, you know, to go like that. So I got this one right here. This is the leave-in conditioner. Oh, I love this stuff right here, and I use this on my hair and my daughter's hair. I just love it. I like my hair is all mostly is in twist. I like the twist more than any other thing. And for my daughter it's cornrows, and I don't know how to cornrow on dry hair. That's the weirdest thing. I only cornrow my daughter's hair when it's wet. So I use this on her hair. After I've washed the hair, I'll put this on. Her favorite oil for the hair is coconut oil. So I put the coconut oil, and I tell you, when I finish the first week, the hair looks as, I'll try and put a video, like not even a video, like I will try and put a picture of her hair here. I will try and do that, and I'm telling you, the hair stays moisturized. And this one right here was like around €5 from €9 or €10. And the next thing I got is the Gold series, and I got this Pantene, okay, whatever they call it. Oh, please just forgive me. Let's see, the Gold series here. And look, you know what I appreciated here? I appreciated the fact that they have our hair. I've seen a little, you know, videos on this product, and yeah, lately I was like, let me just, you know, graduate a little bit from Cantu and try this right here. I'm not moving away from Cantu. I love Cantu. I want to try this, and I tried it. This is the conditioner. It will moisturize your hair. It will just make your hair nice and soft. And this one's really, I can't remember the price. I think they range around like €10 or so. I'll try and put the price somewhere out there. Gorgeous product. And I also got the hydrating butter cream, and they said this one is good for natural or transitioning and relaxed hair. So we all fit somewhere in here. Okay, if you have natural hair like I do, and if you're transitioning or you have relaxed hair, great product, I tell you. And the way this one is used, they say apply a dime size amount to palm, rub together to emulsify, pull through curls to infuse moisture and shine. Oh, great product. And I also got the oil, the hydrating oil. My loves, the smell of this oil, I just love how it smells. It smells divine, I tell you. It smells divine. I put on my son, like my son has like a little, you know, some, like, just the hair has been cut, but it's, you know, it still have a bit of hair there. So in the morning I just, and the hair is like, okay. I don't use it on my hair. This one is for my little ones, and because my hair is very complex. And I got the Cream of Nature Pure Honey, not away leave-in. This with this, a little bit of both together before you twist your hair, before you comb and style your hair will remain soft for days, I tell you. And you will feel the moisture in the hair after you apply your oils. I love it. A little goes a long way with this one, because hey, if you put too much also not good. And I guess I will try and put their prices up here if I didn't talk about any of the prices. And well, we have gotten to the end of our video. I want to thank you for sitting down, taking your time to, you know, tune in. So if you like what you see here, feel free to comment down below. Feel free to share the video and subscribe. Okay, I guess until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.